Learn, speak, grow.
From English for Immigrants Podcast.
Stop! Wait! Before you rent an apartment, before you finance a car, before you even think about saying, "Oh, I'll just get a credit card. How hard can it be?" Do you know your credit score?
Or are you just hoping it's fine?
Because in America, that little 3-digit number can decide if you get approved or rejected, if you pay low interest or crazy high interest.
And nobody explains it clearly. They just say, you need good credit. And you're like, okay, but how?
Exactly. So today, we are breaking it down in simple English. We'll understand what a credit score is, how to build it from zero, what mistakes to avoid, and we'll also connect it to two very important things when you move to the USA: how to open a bank account and how to get a SIM card.
Because everything is connected. Phone number, bank account, credit history. Adult Life Starter Pack.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to English for Immigrants Podcast.
The podcast where we talk about real life in America in clear, simple English.
In today's episode, we will deeply understand your credit score, step by step. We will also talk about how to open a bank account in America and how to get a SIM card in the USA, and how all of this helps you build your financial life here.
My name is Alex.
And I'm Sophia.
If you find this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us grow.
Yes, one click from you means a lot for us.
Okay, deep breath. Let's start with the big, scary words. Credit score.
Dun, dun, dun.
Sophia, what is a credit score in the most simple way possible?
Okay, a credit score is a number, usually between 300 and 850. This number shows how responsible you are with borrowed money.
So it's like your money reputation.
Exactly. It tells banks, landlords, car dealers, sometimes even employers, can we trust this person?
That's a lot of pressure for 3 digits.
I know, but once you understand it, it becomes less scary.
Who creates this number?
Credit bureaus, big companies that collect information about your credit behavior.
Credit behavior sounds like the way you behave with money you borrow.
Yes, if you have a credit card, a car loan, maybe a student loan, they track if you pay on time.
So if I always pay on time, my score goes up.
Usually, yes.
And if I miss payments,
It goes down, and late payments can stay on your credit report for years.
years? Oh no.
Don't panic. We're here to help you avoid that.
What is considered a good credit score?
Generally speaking, 300 to 579 is poor. 580 to 669 is fair. 670 to 739 is good. 740 to 799 is very good. 800 and above is excellent.
800 sounds like financial royalty.
Yes, but you don't need 800 to live well. Even 700 plus is strong.
What happens if your score is low?
You may get rejected for loans or credit cards, or you get approved but with high interest rates.
Let's explain interest rate clearly.
Good idea. Interest is the extra money you pay for borrowing. For example, if you borrow $1,000 and the interest is high, you might pay back $1,200 or more over time.
So 2 people buy the same car, but one pays thousands more because of credit score?
Yes, that's why understanding credit is so powerful.
Okay, now imagine someone just moved to America. They have no credit history. What happens?
Usually, they have no credit score yet, or a very thin file. That means lenders don't have enough information about them.
So it's not bad credit, it's just no credit.
Exactly. And no credit can feel like bad credit because lenders are unsure.
That's frustrating.
It is, but there is a path, and it starts with basics.
Like phone number and bank account.
Yes, let's rewind a little. When you move to the USA, one of the first things you need is a phone number.
Because every form asks for it.
Yes, job applications, banks, delivery services, everything.
So, how do you get a SIM card in the USA?
First, make sure your phone is unlocked. That means it is not restricted to another country's carrier.
Then, you choose a mobile company. There are big carriers and smaller prepaid companies.
You can choose prepaid or postpaid plans. Prepaid means you pay first, then use the service. Postpaid means you use it and pay at the end of the month.
For new immigrants, prepaid is often easier.
Yes, because postpaid plans often require a credit check.
And if you don't have credit yet, that can be complicated.
Exactly. So prepaid is simple. You go to a store or order online, choose a plan, show ID if required, insert the SIM card, and you're ready.
And now you have a US phone number.
Which helps you open a bank account.
Smooth transition again.
So, how do you open a bank account in America?
Step 1. Choose a bank or credit union.
You need identification, usually a passport or driver's license, proof of address, and often a social security number.
What if someone doesn't have SSN yet?
Some banks accept an ITIN, but policies differ, so you need to ask.
When you open the account, you choose between checking and savings.
Checking is for everyday spending. Savings is for storing money and earning small interest.
After that, you receive a debit card.
Important. Debit card uses your own money from your account.
Not borrowed money.
Exactly.
Okay, now we have a phone number and a bank account. Now what?
Now we can start building credit the smart way.
Let's go step by step.
The most common first step is a secured credit card.
Explain secured again.
You give the bank a deposit, for example, $300. That becomes your credit limit.
So if I give $300, I can spend up to $300.
Yes, and you use the card like a normal credit card, but you must pay it back every month.
What is the most important rule?
Pay on time, always.
Even 1 day late?
It can hurt your score, so set automatic payments if possible.
Automatic payments are lifesavers.
Also, don't use all your limit. Keep utilization low.
Under 30%, right?
Yes, if your limit is $300, try not to use more than $90 at a time.
And then pay in full before the due date.
Exactly. If you carry a balance, you pay high interest.
How high are credit card interest rates usually?
They can be 20% or more.
That's expensive.
That's why credit cards are tools, not free money.
How long until someone sees a credit score after starting?
Usually a few months, but building strong credit can take a year or more.
So consistency matters more than speed.
Yes, financial life is a marathon, not a sprint.
What other factors affect credit score?
Payment history is the biggest, then credit utilization, then length of credit history, then credit mix, and new credit inquiries.
Credit mix means having different types of credit?
Yes, for example, credit card plus car loan. But don't take loans just to build credit. Only borrow when necessary.
Very important warning.
Also, avoid applying for many cards at once. Each application creates a hard inquiry.
Hard inquiry sounds intense.
It just means a lender checked your credit for approval.
Can landlords check credit too?
Yes, many do. That's why good credit can help you rent an apartment more easily.
So credit score affects housing, cars, credit cards, sometimes even insurance rates.
Yes, it's powerful.
Let's imagine someone named Daniel. He moves to America. He gets a prepaid SIM card, opens a bank account, gets a secured credit card with $500 deposit.
He uses $100 per month for groceries, pays it in full every month, on time.
After 6 months, his credit score appears. Maybe it's already in the 600s.
After 1 year of perfect payments, it may reach the 700s.
And then he can apply for a regular, unsecured credit card.
Yes, and maybe get his deposit back from the secured card.
That's progress.
See, it's not magic, it's discipline.
What are common mistakes immigrants make with credit?
Ignoring due dates, spending too much, closing old accounts too quickly, co-signing loans without understanding responsibility.
Co-signing means you promise to pay if the other person doesn't.
Yes, and if they miss payments, your credit is hurt too.
That's serious.
Very serious.
Another question. Should you check your credit score often?
Yes, you can monitor it regularly. Checking your own score usually does not hurt it.
That's good to know.
And if you see mistakes on your credit report, you can dispute them.
So you're not powerless.
Not at all.
I wish someone explained all this in simple language when I first arrived.
That's why we created this podcast.
If this episode is helping you understand money life in America, please like this video and subscribe right now.
And share it with a friend who just moved here.
Before we finish, let's connect everything one more time.
Step 1. Get a SIM card and a U.S. phone number.
Step 2. Open a bank account.
Step 3. Apply for a secured credit card.
Step 4. Use it wisely, pay on time, keep utilization low.
Step 5. Be patient and consistent.
And slowly, your financial life grows stronger.
Remember, credit score is not about being rich. It's about being responsible.
And you can build it from zero.
We believe in you.
Now tell us in the comments, do you already have a credit score? Are you just starting? What was the most confusing part for you?
Your questions can become our next episode.
Thank you so much for listening.
Take care of your money.
And your credit score.
Bye!